Hello, today I'm answering a question about the easiest way to perform this simple measurement. So as you can see, I've built a top plate and bottom plate separately. The bottom plate contains the risers, so these guys. I have overlaid them onto each other in the assembly, so now I can see how they are lining up. Here's my dilemma. I need screw holes in the top plate that will line up exactly with the risers. So screw holes that will line up exactly with the risers. Looks like he's doing this in assembly. So he's probably got two part studios open to do this. And he said he continues on, but I don't know how to easily do that. So can I go to assembly and see exactly how they line up? But I don't know what to do from there. I could go to the bottom plate, grab measurements of the risers, do the math, convert those distances into smaller distances, accounting for the fact that the top plate is smaller, and then place the holes. But that seems like a long brute force method. I figured there must be an easier way to do this. Yes, there is an easier way to do this. And let me go to my Onshape, and I've kind of recreated this. So let's pull that up. All right, here's my Onshape, and let's, I'm going to go and make sure that these are all new. So this is kind of like an assembly right here. So we got part 1 and part 2. They're together. Let's actually create an assembly of both of these and see what happens. So insert both of those guys at the same time. Okay, now we're in an assembly. So we got two different parts. So now what I want to do is take these holes and take these holes right here and place them into here. So when you're in assembly, it's a little more difficult. You should have just done it in Part Studio. My opinion is it's easier to do than there, but here's how we can do it in this assembly. So what we got to do is right click on this guy, and we go to edit in context. So we want to create a new context. All right. And now what we want to do is associate these holes to here. So let's go to sketch, click on that guy, and now we get the use command right over here. So we're going to go click that. So this is going to project/use this curve. So we're going to project that curve and see how it pops right into there. Project that curve, and let's go to the last two, 1 and 2. And now we have those curves projected. We can finish that assembly, and now we can do an extrude. We can do a remove, grab that, not the whole thing. Let's see, let's get rid of that. We just want to remove just these circles right here. So yep, just click those right there. And green check, and there you are. That's how you would do that. So now you can go to your assembly. Now you have those holes, and they are associated to the locations of those risers. Hopefully this helped you. Thanks for watching.